The Nanoengineering Group at CIC NanoGUNE aligns its research and technology according to industrial and clinical needs, considering market-driven needs and real-life applications. We develop plasmonic detection systems for next-generation healthcare, realized by liquid biopsy for cancer diagnostics. We also build up optical probes for monitoring cardiovascular conditions as well as physiological parameters, that way replacing slow biochemical analysis by continuous and real-time monitoring technology. Moreover, we develop novel non-existing instrumentation for early detection of Alzheimer's disease and food quality control by combining the two different spectroscopy techniques, Raman and FTIR, resulting in extended information. All this work is realized by means of NanoGUNE's excellent nanotechnology facilities and through close collaborations with different R&D entities of the unique research technology landscape and network within the Basque Country.